Welcome guys. In this video we gotta learn about how we can accept the user input in Java. For start we use scanner class which also needs import. Also we write an object named scanner. And in the following equals new scanner. Inside the parentheses write system.in. It's all set. Now we ask our user to enter his or her name. We define the data type of our user, which is string, and the object name. In the final, we use the scanner.next line. Now we are able to write a name in the console. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.